Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on the graph and the GRT token. Wanted to do a quick, mostly technical update, but we'll take a look at some fundamentals as well. To kind of give you an update on GRT. I know that a lot of you are still trading and holding it ever since the huge AI narrative, and in general I think it's valuable to take a look at it. We haven't covered it in quite a few days. So let's do that. Before we get into GRT specifically, I do want to tell you that if you want to receive daily trading signals, including on GRT by the way, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. Alright, so now on to GRT. You can see that yesterday with the we were actually holding on fairly well. I guess you could argue around 13.5 cents that we had that as a support. We're holding on well, and then yesterday the Binance got sued by the CFTC, caused a lot of bearish pressure and bearish momentum in the markets. GRT crashed down or dropped down below 13.5 cents. We immediately found support at the 618 fib at around 13 cents, but that has changed the market structure. I mean, you could already see that GRT was struggling before. We were already making lower highs. And then we had a bit of hope at 13.5 cents that from there perhaps we could start at least finding some sort of a consolidation and from there going up a bit. But with this bearish breakout, this entire level between 14 cents and 13.5 cents has turned into a massive resistance level. So right now, if we're just purely taking a look at the market structure, the most likely scenario would be that we have found support at 13 cents, which is not that strong of a support, so that we will find resistance there around 14 and let's say 13.75 cents. And that from there we would continue dropping down towards this level between 12 and 12.5 cents, which is psychologically, but also technically a stronger support. So maybe from there we can break above the uptrend or break above the downtrend and consolidate like this, something like this. That seems like the most likely scenario right now to me. Also given the fundamentals of the market. I mean, Bitcoin right now is suffering too. We're holding our support, but we're suffering. So I think Bitcoin can experience some bullish momentum, just like I think GRT can experience some bullish momentum. But then Bitcoin will also find resistance pretty soon. And the only way we could break above that is if we get some sort of a big institutional move, right? So big whales buying in, something like that, which is possible. It's realistic. Definitely seen the moves we had the last couple of weeks. But then, I mean, if Bitcoin breaks above 27,700, then GRT is going to break out above 14 cents as well and get up to like 15 cents and will consolidate. All right, that's definitely true. And I definitely think that will happen. Or I definitely think GRT will follow that. But the chances of that happening to me are less likely than the chances of just respecting the market structure. So that's why I think what I think. Now altogether from that, as I said, if we really drop down to 12.5 cents and 12 cents, there are some fib levels there. 12.5 cents is a major psychological support level. So from there, I actually think we got a fair chance at finding support, but also perhaps stopping the downtrend at the very least. But I'll keep you updated on that. Let me know if you want to see more GRT updates. I'm definitely keen on doing them more. I think GRT is a great token, great project. But for now, that's my take. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.